especially in the middle of a crowd.
Cut. Let's do another.
What do you mean, let's do another? That was fine!
Fine. Call me a perfectionist, but I don't think it's fine until you say the whole line without screwing it up.
You hack!
Shut up.
You rusted bag!
Shut up. Just shut up.
What? What? Everybody knows you've got no talent.
I've got more talent in one little screw.
Little Screw is right. And rusty, if memory serves.
I'm surprised you can remember anything with 90 proof oil, you old booze barrel.
How dare you?
Because I run this show, that's how. If you don't like it, I'm sure you can feel your way as you stagger to the door. Places, everyone! We're ready to go! And action.
Terrible thing to be lonesome, especially in the middle of a crowd.
Cut.
Well,
Perfect.
really?
Baby, you still got it.
Only in your hands, you big genius.